Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Snapchat how to fix 5-digit code. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your web browser and then tap on the search bar and type in speedtest.net, and then once the page loads, tap on go and check to see if your Wi-Fi connection is stronger or not. Sometimes the weaker Wi-Fi connection might be the cause of the issue that you are facing. In order to switch it to stronger Wi-Fi connection, drop down the notification bar and then switch to the reliable and stronger connection, or just simply switch it to cellular data and then try again. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just simply head over to your settings app, and here scroll down and then tap on general, and on the general scroll down, and here you'll see an option that says transfer or reset iPhone. Simply tap on that, and here tap on the option reset. And once you tap on reset, you'll have an option that says reset network settings. Simply tap on that and then go back and try again, and that should probably fix the issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.